Welcome to PlantDo Home and Garden. Now, before we begin, don't forget, you can find all the plants and tools featured in our videos through the link on your screen or in the description. Let's make your home greener and more beautiful.
Have you ever spent a fortune on gorgeous container plants only to watch them wilt in the summer heat, drown in sudden downpours, or crisp up the second you forget to water them? We've all been there. But what if I told you there are beautiful, flowering plants that actually thrive on neglect? Welcome back to PlantDo Home and Garden. Today, we are diving into the ultimate survivor plants, 5 incredibly hardy perennials that will laugh at extreme heat, shrug off heavy rain, and keep blooming even when you completely forget they exist on your patio. Let's get into it. Leading our list of unkillable container plants is the legendary Sedum, specifically varieties like Autumn Joy. When you're growing in containers, the soil dries out much faster than in the ground, but Sedum doesn't care. Because it's a true succulent, its thick, fleshy leaves act like built-in water reservoirs. This makes it practically immune to extreme baking heat and long droughts on a sunny patio. On the flip side, its robust root system handles sudden summer downpours without rotting. For the perfect container setup, the secret is sharp drainage. Mix plenty of perlite or coarse sand into your potting soil. Ensure your pot has large drainage holes and let nature do the rest. It's the ultimate plant it and forget it perennial. Next up is Coreopsis, a sunshine yellow powerhouse that is absolutely perfect for container life. When you have pots on a deck or balcony, you want continuous color, and Coreopsis delivers massive amounts of daisy-like blooms from early summer all the way to fall. Native to open prairies, this plant thrives when confined to a pot baking in full sun. While other potted plants droop in the afternoon heat, Coreopsis actually pushes out more blooms. It's highly forgiving of missed waterings and heavy rain, provided the pot doesn't sit in a saucer of standing water. Even better for lazy gardeners, modern varieties are entirely self-cleaning, meaning you don't have to spend your weekends deadheading wilted flowers to keep your containers looking pristine. At number 3 is the elegant Russian sage. If you want to add height, airy texture, and an incredible herbal fragrance to your patio, this is it. The silvery white stems and lavender blue flowers look absolutely stunning spilling out of a rustic terracotta pot. Russian sage is biologically wired to love dry, brutal heat, making it perfect for containers placed on hot concrete or brick. It actually despises rich potting soil and extra pampering. If you fertilize it too much, it gets floppy. Just give it a deep pot to accommodate its roots, mix in some gritty sand for fast drainage, and watch as its flexible stems dance right through heavy summer storms without ever snapping. Moving on to our taller structural survivors, we have the incredibly tough purple coneflower. Echinacea is famous for its elegant downward petals and spiky centers that act as an absolute magnet for butterflies and bees, bringing your container garden to life. It survives extreme container conditions thanks to a deep taproot that seeks out moisture, making it highly drought-proof. Its stiff, thick stems also prevent it from snapping during high winds and heavy rain. When choosing Echinacea for pots, the trick is to look for dwarf or compact varieties, like the Powwow series, so they stay perfectly proportioned. Always plant them in a heavy, wide-based pot so they don't become top-heavy and tip over in the wind. Finally, you can't go wrong with Yarrow. This rugged perennial has soft, feathery, fern-like foliage specifically designed by nature to minimize water loss. Topped with gorgeous flat clusters of flowers and shades of yellow, pink, or rust, it provides an amazing structural contrast in mixed containers. Yarrow easily survives the hottest weeks of summer and the heaviest seasonal rains because its efficient spreading roots quickly drink up whatever moisture is available. In a container, it acts as a phenomenal filler plant. The biggest mistake you can make with potted yarrow is overloving it. Skip the liquid fertilizer completely, give it the sunniest spot on your porch, and let it grow wild and carefree. You don't need a green thumb to have a lush, colorful patio all summer long. You just need these 5 tough-as-nails perennials. By potting up Sedum, Coreopsis, Russian sage, Coneflower, and Yarrow, you're setting yourself up for an absolutely stress-free gardening season. Which of these hardy survivors are you going to try in your containers this year? Let me know down in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button, subscribe to PlantDo Home Garden for more easy gardening tips, and share this with a friend who struggles to keep their potted plants alive. Happy planting!